राज्यातले रस्ते अपघात ही आता सच्चीच कार्यवळ जावन रावल्या. कंज्युमर वेलफेअर क्लब आणि गोंय येरादारी पुलिसांनी नुवेच्या कार्मेल उच्च माध्यमिक शाळेत रस्तो सुरक्षेचेर जागृताय घडोवन हाडली. विद्यार्थ्यांक रोड सिग्नलांचे प्रशिक्षण दिले. इतलेंच न्हू जाल्यार रोड सेफ्टी पेट्रोलिंगांतय तांकां आस्पावन घेतले.
Today, the students of Carmel Higher Secondary were trained in road traffic signal. All these students have been enrolled as RSPs, Road Safety Patrol, and the basic knowledge was given to them about the road traffic signals, the manual road traffic signal. That means how you have to respond when they see a cop manually handling the traffic. And the students were also educated to handle the traffic that they are receiving in their higher secondaries or in school on some important occasions like 15th August, 26th January during the annual day or higher secondary gathering. So in spite of waiting for the traffic police or the other police to handle the vehicular traffic, they themselves can handle this traffic, and they were educated with these various traffic signals to handle that sort of traffic on these important occasions when they receive the same. And also the students were educated on road safety. The importance of road safety was also told to them so that they behave in a disciplined and way and follow all sort of traffic rules.
Lorna from Goa Can. We are here today at the Carmel Higher Secondary School. Consumer welfare students who are being trained here today in RSP. Initially the RSP was only meant for high schools, but we are promoting that also RSP should be taught in higher secondary and colleges as well. So this is an initiative of Goa Can that we have decided to start with Carmel Higher Secondary, and today the training is going on with Head Constable Mystery from the traffic cell of Margao. We had also put up this issue in the road safety committee meeting that road safety patrol should be promoted in every higher secondary college, also in high schools, so that children learn about the signages, they learn about also how to control traffic. If there is any need for them to come out on the roads or even to man their gates or things like that, they will be able to use them. So this morning, this is the training that's going on in the